Hey, sometimes it happens that we change some settings in Inkscape that we don't really want, and things get messy. In such cases, good solution is to reset program to default settings. Today I will show you how to do it. Okay, so first you need to do is go to left upper corner, and here you have more settings. You need to click on edit, and now you will see here more options. We are interested in to click on preferences. And like you see, special original window has been successfully loaded here, but unfortunately we are not interested about spell check. We need to go to system, so we click on it. And on the right side you have a lot of special settings, but we are interested in about reset preferences. You need to click this one button, and after that you need to close this window, and now you should fully restart the program. Okay, so you need to close this program and open again. And now you can see that all settings have been successfully reset to default. So if it's worked for you, remember to click like button under this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I encourage you to watch my other videos on this channel. So it's all for today. See you in next recordings.